This is the Power Platform Daily Brief for Monday, May 20th, 2019. I'm Joel Lindstrom, and this is what you need to know about the Power Platform in 10 minutes or less. Well, today's the big day, May 20th, when the administration of app and data access for Dynamics 365 for customer engagement and CDS has been extended to allow administrators to use their organization Azure AAD Groups to manage and access rights for licensed customer engagement and CDS users. This means you can now create a new type of team called Azure AAD Group teams that are associated with Azure AAD Groups and associate security roles to the group teams. And then when members in the group team access the environments, their access rights are automatically granted based on the group's team security role. And that takes effect on May 20th, today. In a related story, Microsoft has identified that new Azure Active Directory group team members, when they're first attempting to access Dynamics 365 custom model-driven applications for the first time, they might encounter an error message. Something has gone wrong. Check technical details for more details. And Microsoft has come up with a workaround. Well, they work for a fix for the issue. If users who get this error refresh their browser, they should be able to access the Dynamics 365 custom model-driven applications. In our next story, you can now import components from cloud apps. So when PowerApps Components were first introduced, you had to import them from a local file. The good news is you don't have to do that anymore. The good news is you no longer have to do that anymore. Now when you click the Import Components button, it's going to show you apps that you have permission to edit that can contain components. So by selecting that app and clicking Import, you will get the most recent published version of all the components in the app. So this really takes it a step further and makes it easier to move components between apps. If you're playing with the Power Control Framework, PCF in other words, you should check out PCF Gallery. This is MVP Guido Parete's new site that he's cataloging some of the great examples of PCF controls that are available to download. It's got several up there right now. I really like the File Explorer that shows you the email attachments that are associated with the record in a File Explorer type of UI. Really great examples of what you can do with the PowerApps Control Framework. And speaking of Guido, if you don't currently subscribe to his Dynamics 365 weekly summary email at dynamicsweekly.com, you really should. Well, we have a daily summary of news in the Power Platform. He goes more into the community than we do and gives you a really great summary of not just the official Microsoft blogs, but also community posts, videos, and podcasts. I love reading it every Monday, and I usually see some things in there that I missed from the week before. So go to dynamicsweekly.com and check that out. And then finally, do you want to learn Flow? Well, good news. John Levesque from Microsoft has recently posted a link to 39 great videos walking through tutorials and other things of how to use Flow. So if you're new to Flow or an old hand at Flow and want to learn and take your skills to the next level, check out these great videos. This is Joel Lindstrom. This has been your Power Platform Daily Brief for Monday, May 20th, 2019. Now you're up to date. Power on.